So we're doing our foldable, and we have the orange sheets on the outside. You'll see our two staples. They're all folded down that line, so you actually want to cut out that section up to these dotted lines here. So if you start from the beginning, you can fold your piece in so that you can just see the center line exposed on both sides, and that should give you a good depth on where to cut. Now I've actually cut a notch out in here, and I've done that because it doesn't want to fold in well. So once you have this folded in, you cut these, fold them down. I cut a larger notch in here so I can again fold these in. I can then trim everything up after the fact, fold that down. Same thing with the orange, fold in and fold down. Okay. We'll do the same process to the green on the bottom. And then finally the orange that makes up the bottom, or the very last page. Once you have everything folded, and make sure you can fold it down. Okay. It may be off a little bit, and that's not a problem. Then we want to go through and actually remove everything that says remove. So we'll cut all those out next. We're starting our review with a little art project, but it works out really well for us, so let's continue with that. Okay, remove all of these. And you can trim everything however you wish. This is yours. It's for your review, obviously. Okay, I think I have all my pieces done. So here's a few more on the bottom. Please make sure to take your time. And finally my orange will make the last bit. This would actually take us probably an hour in class, believe it or not, once everything was stapled together. Take at least an hour in class, and we'd probably take another class just to put together. So once you have it all done, I actually like to just take a little time and trim it up so I can see everything, but we don't need to do any of that. You need to then cut out all of these little pieces here. By cut out, I mean just cut right down the line. So just take your time on it. And these are making your little doors. You get the idea for this. That was a little off. I'll survive. Okay, go through the same process with the green. Okay, top and bottom, make sure you remove these. Alright, that'll be for natural log and exponentials, and then go through. This is our inverse trig, which we don't utilize, but we'll still fill out anyway. And then there's nothing to be cut on the orange, so please keep that in mind. Okay, and then what we're going to do is we're going to come back and we'll do a video on just filling each of them out. We'll focus on our individual parts, but then we can see that we have the quotient rule here. We'll be able to write it down and everything else.